Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Wow, we're already at day 16 and I'm trying to find it and it's down here. Let's open this up, day 16 and oh, hang on, I've got to move everyone aside. Sorry Stephanie, up you get. And this flap won't stay open. We have a little chair and a book and a teacup. Look at this, once upon a time. Oh, I am so loving this cup. It's got a little toasted marshmallow. Oh my goodness, too cute for words. So we shall start with this comfy little armchair. This little armchair will look so nice, cozied up next to the fireplace. There we go, we'll pop that over here while I'll do this little table because we're going to put this mug, this little toasted marshmallow mug there. And here's the storybook, Once Upon a Time. It could be a Christmas story, could do some reading. And oh, that chair, it does not fit me and I cannot sit up because I am too top heavy with this Santa hat. There we go, I'm sitting down. We'll put Olivia here and we will read a story with my cat. What an awesome build. I love this little set. It will look great next to the fireplace. And can you believe it is day 17 tomorrow? Not long to go now.